Welcome to Money Internet. If you want to start trading in cryptocurrency, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to start trading and make money even if you have yet to gain experience. How does the NFT market stack up to the $300 billion market cap of cryptocurrencies? Yes, it is possible to become a millionaire through investing in crypto and non-fungible tokens. Similarly, investing in can be highly profitable if you pick suitable projects. Both types of investments involve researching projects that have promising futures and then buying into them when they are inexpensive so you can benefit from their future growth. At the end of the video, I'll give you 7 tips you need to succeed in the exciting new world of investing in digital currencies. Keep an eye out for our next video discussing how to use technical analysis tools when trading crypto. I am not a financial advisor. These videos are for educational purposes only. Investing of any kind involves risk. While it is possible to minimize risk, your investments are solely your responsibility. It is imperative that you conduct your own research. I am merely sharing my opinion with no guarantee of gains or losses on investments. What are the differences and benefits of cryptocurrency and non-fungible tokens? And cryptocurrency are digital assets based on blockchain technology. However, the main difference between them is their respective standards. INFs use the Ethereum network 721 Costa Rican standard and can represent ownership of digital or physical items like artwork, music, videos, and other collectibles. On the other hand, cryptocurrency uses the 20 Costa Rican standard to exchange for making purchases or trading with other users on a blockchain platform. Plus, NFTs have unique properties that make them intangible and non-interchangeable, thus offering exclusivity to their owners, unlike cryptocurrencies, which are divisible and interchangeable in most cases. Cryptocurrency NFTs offer benefits such as decentralization, security, and anonymity. Cryptocurrency can be used for payments, which offers users a more secure alternative to traditional payment methods. NFTs provide digital ownership of assets such as art or music, immutable and verifiable on the blockchain. Additionally, they provide an additional layer of transparency since records are stored in a public ledger. Both cryptocurrency and NFTs have tremendous potential for transforming the financial industry in many ways. The main difference between the two is that NFTs are unique representations of real-world assets, while cryptocurrencies can be traded for each other. Cryptocurrency offers many benefits compared to traditional bank transfers, such as no fee charges, faster transactions, anonymity, and increased security. Cryptocurrencies are decentralized digital assets not subject to government control or manipulation. They allow users to securely transfer funds without needing third-party intermediaries like banks or other financial institutions. As a result, cryptocurrency enables users to exchange money quickly and with minimal fees. Furthermore, cryptocurrencies offer high privacy and security since all transactions are secured through cryptography on the blockchain network. Which investment is worthwhile for me in the short and long time? There is a lot of advice about investing for long-term goals like retirement. How to invest for goals that are 10 years or longer away. Long-term investing is where you usually keep your investments for longer than a year. Most long-term investors are also passive investors, meaning they only quickly buy and sell a few cryptocurrencies. Long-term investors may choose to put their money into crypto, which is going up in price, but they may decide to put their money into funds or ETFs instead. Long-term investing, on the other hand, is more of a set-it-and-forget-it method. How to make short-term investments 3 years. If your goal is less than 3 years away, just put the money in a savings account. Don't make it more complicated than that, please. In such a short time, the amount you save is much more important than the interest rate you earn. Even if you put your money in the stock market and got a good return, The difference between that and what you would get from a savings account would be negligible. The trade-off is that while a savings account guarantees that your money will be there when you need it, even safe investments can lose money at the wrong time. So find good savings account with a competitive interest rate or a CD that fits your time frame, and save money until you reach your goal. What possibilities are there to earn money with both? Using long-term investments, you can earn money by investing in crypto, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, exchange-traded funds, real estate investment trusts, rights, and other long-term investment vehicles. Short-term investments offer a way to make fast cash with less risk than long-term investments. Examples of short-term investments include trading in the stock market, day trading futures contracts or options, currency trades forex, buying certificates of deposit CDs, or investing in high-yield savings accounts and money markets. With short-term investments, you may have more flexibility to withdraw your capital quickly for emergencies, but there is also greater risk involved due to market volatility. So it's essential to understand the advantages and disadvantages of each type of investment before deciding which approach best meets your needs. What are the risks of trading cryptocurrencies and NFT? And how can they be minimized? The risks of trading cryptocurrencies include the volatility of prices, susceptibility to cyber attacks or hacks, and the lack of government regulations. To minimize these risks, traders should ensure that their accounts are secure by using strong passwords and two-factor authentication. They should also do their research into the various coins or tokens being traded to ensure they have a complete understanding of all associated risks. Plus, traders must diversify their portfolios to spread risk exposure as much as possible. Finally, traders should set sensible limits on how much they are willing to invest at any given time. What are the best tools and platforms for getting started with trading? Every platform for trading cryptocurrency is different. When choosing a broker, investors should consider investment options, trading tools, market research, and education for beginners, customer service, and ease of use. Here are the best tools and platforms. If you enjoyed the video, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Peer-to-peer exchange. When you trade on a peer-to-peer exchange, the platform acts as an escrow to keep both parties safe. What happens when you buy Bitcoin on a P2P exchange? You want to buy Bitcoin in this example. You send the money, and the exchange holds the seller's Bitcoins in escrow. The seller confirms that you sent the money, and the exchange releases the Bitcoin. You can always file a dispute if the person doesn't send you the Bitcoin. You should only trade with people who have a high feedback score and have done a lot of transactions. When trading on a P2P platform, your reputation is the most important thing. Binance, the most well-known name in the cryptocurrency world, knows how vital it is. They have started their peer-to-peer exchange because of this. Binance's interface is easy to use and looks good. You can buy or sell a wide range of coins, including USDT, BTC, BUSD, BNB, ETH. You can also finish the trade with WeChat, Alipay, a bank transfer, or QIWI. KuCoin. Initially based in China, KuCoin moved to Hong Kong to take advantage of the more accommodating regulatory environment. It is widely regarded as trustworthy, secure, and easy to use due to its nearly $200 million in 24-hour trading activity. The site is now ranked as the 41st most significant cryptocurrency exchange by coin market cap. OpenSea. OpenSea is a decentralized market for non-fungible tokens that can be bought, sold, and traded. OpenSea says it is the most prominent place to buy and sell digital goods. It's a good idea to learn more about OpenSea and what it adds to trading. This article also talks about how to use OpenSea and what NFTs are. Charting software. Most reliable trading platforms have sophisticated charting software, but it always helps to have more options. The most effective charting programs present as much live information as possible in a readable format. The most effective charting software provides a wide variety of technical indicators and sketching and analysis features. TradingView's charts, for example, include a feature that enables users to quickly identify candlestick patterns, which can determine the best points to enter and exit a trade. If you enjoyed the video, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Comparison bar chart. Imagine owning a lot of Litecoin. This currency's transaction performance is being compared to its peers. Remember, cryptocurrency markets are liquid because of transactions. We'll utilize a comparison bar chart. Let's utilize the table below. For visualization, this blog uses predicted values for a year. Replace these values with current values and construct your charts. Progress chart. You might be curious about how Bitcoin prices have changed over time. Which chart would you look at to find out more? If you set a progress chart, you are correct. One of the best charts for trading crypto is the progress chart. You can use this chart, especially if you want to keep track of two metrics simultaneously. In our case, we'll show two important metrics. Trading platform. The best trading platforms for active traders offer a wide range of technical analysis tools, charting capabilities, and, in some cases, backtesting, paper trading accounts, and other tools that can help traders develop a good strategy. More on some of these in the future. The only problem is that it only works with a few online brokers because it was designed as a charting platform rather than a trading platform. What is the best way to start with minimal risk? The best way to start trading with minimal risk is to begin by using a demo account. Most brokers offer demo accounts and allow you to practice trading without risking your own capital. It's also important to set realistic expectations and understand the markets before investing in them. It's also recommended that you have an emergency fund or savings account in place prior to starting trading so that if things go differently than planned, you're not left with significant losses. Finally, it's crucial that traders use a proper money management technique such as limiting their position sizes relative to their account size so they can take losses without wiping out their entire portfolio. How can you protect yourself from fraud and hacker attacks when investing? There are many different cryptocurrencies. Some, like Bitcoin and Ethereum, are well known, and new ones are constantly being made. Fraudsters use many different tricks to try to get you to buy and send cryptocurrency as a way to pay or as an investment. Someone or some business that seems legit asks for payment in cryptocurrency. They might not take traditional payment methods like credit and debit cards. Fraudsters want to be paid in cryptocurrency because it's hard to track the money. Scammers try to get you to put your money into fake cryptocurrency deals. The thief says this is a once-in-a-lifetime chance, a limited-time offer, and a chance to make a lot of money with no risk. You'll think your money is doing well, but you'll never get it back. Fraudsters use phishing to get your digital wallet's private key and steal your cryptocurrencies. They send out many emails in the hopes that you will click on the link in one of them and give them your personal and financial information. Follow our advice to stay safe. Almost always, it's a scam if you're told to pay with cryptocurrency. You won't be forced to pay with cryptocurrency by reputable businesses. Only click on links or attachments in emails, texts, or social media that look sketchy. Feel free to make a quick investment. Spend some time learning where your money is going. If you have cryptocurrency stored in a digital wallet, keep the private key safe and don't give it to anyone else. 7 trading tips for beginners. 1. Understand the dynamics of the market. Read up on the different types of cryptocurrencies and build your knowledge base. 2. Decide which type of exchange you want to use for trading and select a reliable platform that offers all services in one place. 3. Get accustomed to trading with virtual money before investing in real funds. This will also help you familiarize yourself with different order types and how they are placed within an exchange platform, like limit orders, stop-loss orders, etc. 4. Before investing in crypto, make sure to do your due diligence and understand the different types of assets available so that you can make informed decisions. 5. When first getting into crypto, it is best to start small and build up slowly as you become more familiar with the industry and its technology. 6. Diversifying across different crypto assets will help mitigate potential losses from fluctuating market prices by providing exposure to all possible price movements in a given asset class or sector, including those with low correlation. 7. Investors need to stay up to date on current events that may affect their investments, such as innovation cycles or regulations changes which could be beneficial or detrimental, depending on the asset type being held within the portfolio at any given time. Practicing proper risk management techniques will help protect investments against unnecessary losses during downturns while allowing continued participation during uptrends throughout the market cycle as well.